Alright, well, it does start with the coil unplug. I think I'm going to swap back to the distributor right quick and see if it's the sequential injection or if it's my timing for the coil unplug. Alright, so I disabled the sequential injection and I'd hooked up my single coil and car ran fine. So with the sequential injection disabled, I hooked the coil packs back up, set up waste spark mode, started up. It runs really rough. I checked the timing. The timing is dead on, 15 degrees where it needs to be. So yeah, I think one of these coil packs isn't any good. They all spark when I test them out in the air, but it just runs way too rough. So I'm going to pull them back out, pull out my harness, and just go back to my single coil just the way I was. It runs fine. It'd have been nice to be able to have a little bit more adjustment over my timing. Oh well.